learners. So, whenever we are building a software, we have first discussed about its requirements. So, there are two types of requirements, functional and non-functional requirements. In the functional requirement, basically we talk about the features of the software, while in a non-functional requirement, we talk about the quality of a software. Qualities are like its reliability and its scalability. While if we take an example of a student attendance management system, so what would be its functional requirement, while what will be its non-functional requirement? We talk about its functional requirement, it will be that teacher can log in to the system, teacher can add student, teacher can mark attendance, the student can store attendance record, teacher can view students' attendance record. While if we talk about its non-functional requirement, it will be data should be secure, system should be easy to use for student and as well as for the teacher. While system should respond in 2 seconds. That means system should be fast. Another is code should be easy to maintain. That's two our comes into our non-functional requirement. Other than this, there is scalability and reliability. If we talk about scalability, then it must be handle and store up to 30,000 of data. And scalability is not just about storage or numbers. It's about as this number of students grow, the system should grow and handle that number without the redesign. Thank you.